This is a 16th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is a hard set of reading questions. And when you see that it asks about the conventions of standard English, go right to the answer choices. When you see it's asking about apostrophes, then there's no reason to read the sentence before. You could just read from racetrack-like trails in the Playa's sediment, mark the rocks, mysterious migration. So we've got playas, some with apostrophes, some without, rocks, some with apostrophes, some without. You got to ask yourself, does this belong to the playa? Yes, the sediment belongs to the playa. So this is gone. Is there more than one playa or one playa? It's just one playa. So answer choice D is gone as well. And then does something belong to the rock? Yes, the migration belongs to the rock. So answer choice B is gone. And there is more than one rock. That's why the apostrophe after the S says rocks over here. See the full video, go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, the playlist, Test 2 Module 2B, this is a hard set of math questions, shorter videos, longer videos, and just all these shorter videos. Have a great day.